I wanted to do a unboxing. Obviously, I haven't done one in a really long time because I really don't shop that often. I like to save my money, and with everything going on with the unemployment in 2019 and COVID-19 and my husband being furloughed, all that stuff, we just been really holding on to our money, and we finally got our stimulus. Not that you guys care, but we finally got our stimulus at the end of April, and we just paid bills with it. So my employer does have this program, so I didn't spend any of my savings or my stimulus money on this. I don't know why I feel like I have to explain, but I do kind of feel like I do. But my employer has this program for their employees called Purchasing Power, and basically you buy items off of this site and they take the payment out of your paycheck until you pay it in the year. So that's what I decided to do. The payment out of my paycheck for this device is not that much at all. So I figured this is something that I do really want to invest in myself. I really wanted to concentrate on writing a book that I've been working on. I have a website with about my guide dog and my other dog that I'm working on. I have a blog that I've been active on for years. So I just wanted a laptop that spoke to both my phone and my desktop. So I'm all Apple, baby. I'm such a huge Apple stan, and not just for Apple Windows. The reason why I love Apple is because of the ease, accessibility of their voiceover, and how each of their products talk to each other in very easy setup. So I just love Apple because of their voiceover. It's built in. I love the voiceover that's known as Alex on their computer systems, the desktop and the laptop. And I love Siri, and I love Alexa. And I just love how, this technology helps me be able to use technology and computers and laptops like everybody else. So I love Apple. So I decided to treat myself to help me get engaged in my creativity, and I got a MacBook Air. Now, the reason why I love MacBooks so much, other than just what I just stated, in my previous employer, we all worked from an Apple laptop, and the one I had was huge, was the MacBook Pro. And obviously I just could not afford that. It's a lot of money. So I did opt to get the MacBook Air. I'm not planning on storing anything on it, using a lot of memory or anything like that. So it's just going to be like a processing iOS machine for me. But I don't really care about how big the screen is. I don't honestly need the screen because I'm going to be using VoiceOver exclusively on my laptop. But just knowing I have something that I can use, I can take with me downstairs, I can take on the porch, and not have to go all the way upstairs to my office all the time, I like. So I hope you guys don't mind, but let's go ahead and let's unbox this with me. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy, and like I always say, love the skin you're in, embrace your uniqueness, and be the good. Impromptu unboxing. I treated myself. No, I didn't spend any money like my stimulus or anything. My stimulus, when my husband and I finally got it, went straight to bills. But my employer that I'm currently with for the time being, that's a whole different story. Maybe I'll do a story about it. They have a program that you can purchase things and get the money deducted from your paycheck until you pay it off. So that's the program I utilize. It's called Purchasing Power, and different employers have it. So as you guys know, I have a desktop that I treated myself to last year as part of my my severance that I got from my previous employer that I got laid off from. And I bought myself an Apple desktop computer because I love Apple products. I love their voiceover. I love their easy accessibility for people that are visually impaired and blind. So I am a Apple stan for life. So the only thing I found out with having a desktop Apple, obviously, is that if I wasn't in my office, I didn't use it. And I wanted some portability. So I got this. Let's open her up. not a good thing. Let's go ahead, unbox this bad boy. Ta-da! Yep, I wanted just to get, my previous employer, I had a MacBook Pro, which was huge, and obviously I just can't afford that right now. So I did get the MacBook Air 13-inch, which is fine because I'll use the voiceover. I don't really need the screen, to be honest. But yeah, but now I have something portable. I'm so happy. I know this is to the people that are very techy. This is nothing big, but for me, it is. It's very big. Yay! Components that come with it. Obviously the laptop. Let's open this way. I feel the little notch right here. And then you get your cord. And I keep my boxes. So yeah, pretty exciting. I love Apple because who needs directions? It's very intuitive. So I'm happy. Just wanted to share with you guys. Thanks. Bye. My electronic boxes. So I just put my MacBook Air box here. Yeah, more boxes. And this one is to my desktop. I'll show you that. Desktop I got with some of my severance money from my previous employer because I didn't have a computer. And so, yep, Magic Keyboard, Magic Mouse. And I do have another Magic Mouse that I got from my previous office that they gave me. Just got to find it and I'll connect it with my laptop and use it for that. But yeah, I'm a happy camper now.